Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022. Question number 19. Let x be a Poisson random variable with ex is equals to ln2. The value of e cos pi x is 4 options are given. So here this is the question in the house of Poisson random variables function. So x be a Poisson random variable. The function is e greater integer function that is equal to ln2. The value of cos of pi x is 4 options are given. So now look at this. P of capital X is equal to small x, that is equal to given here P Poisson random variable with ex ln. Okay, so now we can write this is equal to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power x. Okay, and denominator is factorial x, where x is equals to what? 0, 1, 2, dot. Then then the probability mass function of the Poisson random variable is equal to, we may write e to the power e of x, that is equal to lambda is equals to ln 2. Okay, now e of g of x is equals to what? Summation of for all x g of x small p, where x is capital X is equal to small x. Okay, so now e of gx is equals to here cos of pi by x. So e of cos of pi x is equals to x is equals to 0 and to cos of pi of x e to the power minus of lambda into lambda to the power x divide factorial x. Now putting the values, so here we get e to the power minus of lambda to the power 0, 0 factorial plus minus 1 into e to the power minus of lambda to the power 1 divide 1 factorial. Then it is 2 e to the power minus of lambda square divide factorial 2 plus dot. Now taking common e to the power minus lambda from all this, so e to the power minus lambda is common here, so 1 minus lambda divide factorial 1 plus lambda square divide factorial 2 minus lambda cube divide factorial 3 plus then dot. So we know this one is equals to you know e to the power minus lambda into this one is equals to e to the power minus lambda. So this one is now we write e to the power minus of twice lambda. So lambda here we know value e of x is equals to lambda 2. So we put e to the power minus of twice ln 2. So that is equal to e to the power ln 1 by 4. So this one is equals to this one is cancelled. So here we get e to the power minus e to the power lambda 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option A is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 19. Now moving to question 20. So question 20 tells us if z is a standard normal random variable where p is equal to 0 less or equal to z less or equal to 1 is equal to 0.34, then p z square greater or equal to 1 is equal to what? So it is also a normal random variable question. Okay, so now it is GATE sample question 2022 from engineering mathematics. So now plot, at first we plot the curve. So this is the axis and here is the curve. Okay, so this region, this is the shaded region, is our required region. So here we know axis, it is 0, it is x-axis, sorry, it is y-axis and it is x-axis. So we know this region is 0.34. This region is mentioned as 0.34. So the total, if total region is up to this region is 0.34. This one is 0.5. This one is 0.5. This whole region is 1. If take whole region is 1 unit, then this one is 0.5. This one is also 0.5. And this region is 0.34. So here the now complete area is 1 unit. Okay, so now z square is equal to, z square is greater or equal to 1. Okay, so now z is equals to what? Z is equals to 2. So z square now is equals to, we may write 4 greater than 1. Again if we know, if we calculate, that is z is equals to, if we let z is equal to -2, then z square is equals to what? Z square is equal to again 4, which is greater or equal greater than 1, sorry, which is greater than 1. Now if this area is 0.5, if the whole area is 0.5, we if we take 1 unit whole area, this whole area is 0.5 and this area is 0.34. This is 0.34. So the rest shaded area is what? 0.5 minus of 0.34. So that is equal to 0.16. Okay. So now this is the value of this area is 0.16. So now P of z square greater or equal to 1. What is this? So that mean it is 2 into 0.16. Okay, so that is equal to 0.32. So it is our required answer, and answer is 0.3210. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.